Let's fill out the Louisiana Motor Vehicle Bill of Sale together and avoid the small mistakes that cause big headaches when it's time to transfer the title and register the car. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave any line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. An empty box is an invitation to change the document after it's signed. Next, describe the vehicle. Make, model, body type, year, color, and the odometer reading. 2 that people get wrong. The VIN, type all 17 characters exactly as they appear on the title. A single wrong digit can stall the title transfer. And the odometer. Write the exact reading, not a rounded guess. A sloppy number can look like odometer fraud. Now, the sale price, in our example, $8,500, and how it's paid. Here, paid in full by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Finally, signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. 2 things before you're done. An unsigned or undated bill of sale may not hold up, so make sure every signature has a date beside it. And make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. The buyer needs it to register the vehicle, and the seller needs it as proof they are no longer responsible for that car. Let's walk through what this state requires when you're putting together a vehicle bill of sale. First, let's talk about who needs to sign. The bill of sale must be signed by 2 people who will attest based on their own personal knowledge. So make sure you have both of those signatures in place before moving forward. Next, the seller will need to provide their full legal name and their license number. Get that information written in clearly and accurately. Now, if there is a lien on the vehicle, you will need a release of lien executed by each current holder of a security interest in the motor vehicle. Every lien holder needs to sign off, so don't skip this step if it applies to you. On the topic of notarization, the original notarized manufacturer's certificate must be submitted to the department within 60 days. Keep that deadline in mind so you don't miss it. When it comes to the bill of sale itself, the state requires a proper bill of sale, or a statement of ownership, or a copy of one of those documents. And finally, for title transfer, this requirement applies to vehicles that are 25 years old or older. If your vehicle falls into that category, be sure to handle the title transfer accordingly. That covers the key requirements for this state. Take your time, double-check every detail, and you should be in good shape. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.